In this lecture, we will study the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram, commonly known as the HR diagram. It is one of the most important tools in astrophysics, used to classify stars and understand their life cycles. Let us begin with a quick recall. Stars emit light, and this light carries information about their physical properties. By analyzing the spectrum of a star, we can determine its temperature. This leads to the spectral classification sequence: O, B, A, F, G, K, M. Stars range from hot blue stars to cooler red stars. Our galaxy contains billions of stars. To study them effectively, astronomers need a way to organize and compare them. Two key properties are used for this purpose: temperature and brightness. This raises an important question. Can we represent stars on a map using these properties? In the early 20th century, astronomers began plotting stars according to their temperature and luminosity. They discovered that stars do not appear randomly on such a plot. Instead, they follow a distinct and meaningful pattern. This relationship was discovered independently by Einar Hertzsprung and Henry Norris Russell. They identified a clear connection between stellar temperature and luminosity, which led to the development of the HR diagram. The Hertzsprung-Russell diagram is a graph used to study and classify stars. It plots two important properties: luminosity, which represents the brightness of a star, and surface temperature, which is related to its spectral type. The HR diagram consists of two axes. The vertical axis represents luminosity, and it increases upward. The horizontal axis represents surface temperature or spectral type. Each point on this diagram corresponds to an individual star. The horizontal axis represents surface temperature and spectral class. The sequence is O, B, A, F, G, K, M. An important point to note is that temperature decreases from left to right. Thus, stars on the left are hotter, while stars on the right are cooler. The vertical axis represents luminosity, or the intrinsic brightness of a star. It is often measured in terms of solar luminosity, where the sun is taken as one unit. Luminosity increases upward, so stars higher on the diagram are brighter. When stars are plotted on the HR diagram, most of them lie along a diagonal band called the main sequence. Stars in this region spend most of their lifetime fusing hydrogen into helium. The Sun is also a main sequence star. Above the main sequence, we find giant stars and supergiants. These stars have exhausted hydrogen in their cores and have expanded in size. They are cooler than many main sequence stars but appear very bright due to their large size. Supergiant stars are extremely massive and highly luminous. They can be either red or blue. Examples include Betelgeuse and Rigel. These stars represent advanced stages of stellar evolution and often end their lives in supernova explosions. Below the main sequence are white dwarfs. These are small, dense, and dim stars. They are the remnants of stars that have completed their life cycle, particularly stars similar to the Sun. Although they are hot, their small size makes them faint. The HR diagram is a key tool in astrophysics. It helps astronomers classify stars, study how stars evolve over time, and understand the different stages in the life cycle of stars. Thus, it provides a comprehensive picture of stellar properties and evolution.